The sound of peace. Sometimes peace is not something we see, but something we feel deep inside our hearts. It can come in the morning when everything is quiet and the sun slowly rises in the sky. The sound of peace is not loud. It is soft, like the wind passing through the trees. When we stop for a moment and listen, we can hear peace in the world around us. It may be the sound of birds singing, the rain falling gently, or even our own calm breath. Peace is always there, waiting for us to pause and pay attention to the simple things. I remember a day when I felt truly peaceful while sitting alone in the park after school. There were no cars, no loud voices, and no phone in my hand, just the sound of nature. I closed my eyes, took a deep breath, and listened to the wind moving through the grass. The world felt slow, and for the first time that day, I felt calm and happy without doing anything. Sometimes we don't need music or noise. We just need silence to hear the peace around us. It's in these quiet moments that we find rest for our mind and strength for our heart. Peace is not only something we feel alone, it can also be shared with other people. When we speak kindly, listen with care, or help someone, we create peace between us. Sometimes, just being near someone who is calm can help us feel peaceful too. We do not need to fix every problem to feel peace. We just need to be present and patient. A peaceful life is not a perfect life, but a life where we choose calm over anger. Every peaceful moment we share with someone else makes the world a little better. We all need peace, and we can find it if we look for it in the right places. It might be in a quiet walk, a soft voice, or even a few minutes of stillness before bed. The sound of peace is always around us, but we must slow down to hear it. In a busy world full of noise, finding peace is like finding a small gift just for us. When we learn to enjoy peaceful moments, we start to live with more joy and less stress. Peace is not far away. It lives in our hearts, and it begins with just one calm breath.